Alright, hey YouTube people, I'm gonna show you how to get infinity diamonds. Well, like 200. Well, I'll try to do that one. All you need is furnace, pickaxe, 2 diamonds, and yeah. Sorry for the bad quality. You know, it's sort of messed up. I don't know if that's good, but let's hope it works. Okay, now let me furnace. So while you're doing this, do not move at all. Right at the last second. You just keep doing it and read. Till the furnace breaks. I have screwed up. Let me try that one more time. Okay. This is hard, like really hard. Takes time. See, I didn't screw it up. See? Infinity diamonds. Goes right back up to 46. 64. See? Not that it's hard, but it takes time. Sorry for the bad quality. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. So if you liked it, subscribe to me. Alright, peace.